There are two things that probably bring about changes. One is in the fact that we get married. So the choice of you do take a choice to do some additional work. That brings in added responsibility. Mr. Kannabiran is a very acclaimed, a very eminent lawyer, and particularly people disappearing mysteriously. There were deaths, custody deaths, and definitely Mr. Kannabiran felt that he would need to be the voice, and she was in fact the anchor for all the activities of her husband. This is what marks people from people. You know, sometimes you can just drift with the flow. But then, it was in the 70s. There was a famous case of Ramisa B. This was probably, I don't know whether that marked the first possible entry into activism, but that was what she started out with in the 70s. Improvement in service conditions, apart from ensuring that teachers were given a sense of recognition and a certain dignity.
The government has taken it over, the UN has taken it over, UN declared a decade of women, all this has happened. It has become completely taken over by major forces. But in the beginning, Women's Day was a day of struggle. It was a day when women asserted their right as workers and as women. They said, we are workers, we want our right as workers, and we are women, and we want our rights as women. And we all know here, I think in this hall, how much of a conflict there can be between being a worker, whether you're an officer or not, doesn't matter, between being a worker and being a woman. That there is constantly that conflict that comes in, or that is something that pulls us, is something that we know and something that women struggle. Now, women are a terrible lot, whatever you say. They will never say that. They didn't have the vote. They fought and got the vote. In India, we had the vote from freedom, but that's because women in other countries had already struggled for the vote. So they struggled and they got the vote. And they struggled violently. They would chain themselves to railings, to all sorts of things to be able to get the vote. They've constantly been able to turn things to their advantage in demanding something. And then the other thing that they asked.
This is United India Insurance, a public sector company, and we wish on behalf of United India Insurance, andariki International Women's Day Subhakankshalu. So, ivala ikkada manam Women's Day ivala jarupukovam jarugutunnadi. Anni local offices nunchi anni employees ni ikkada pilichi lady employees ni ikkada oka centralized ga manam organize cheyadam jarugutunnadi. Dani gurinchi vivaralu manaki Bhanumati garu cheptaru.
Actually, the Antarjatiya Mahila Dinotsavam.
We are celebrating this Women's Day, International Women's Day, to mark, to send a message across the globally that we are no less than men, and women inequality avanni kuda emi levu. So we are also, as Bhanumati has already quoted, we are one step above men, and we can achieve. Sky is our limit. If given a chance, we can achieve anything. We need proper backing, which we can support ourselves. So with this, we thank everybody.